In this video, I'll show you how to find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Drive does not have a built-in tool that automatically scans your drive and removes duplicates for you. Google's official help says, duplicate files in Drive have to be found manually, so the best method is to sort your files and look for repeated names, especially files ending in one or copy of. First, open Google Drive on your computer. This job is easier on desktop than on mobile because you can sort and scan a larger list of files more quickly. Switch to List View if needed, then click the Name column to sort your files alphabetically. Google specifically recommends sorting by name in List Layout to help spot duplicates more easily. Now start looking for files with matching names. Pay special attention to names that include one, two, or copy of, because those are common signs that the same file was uploaded or copied more than once. Google's help page points to these naming patterns as the easiest way to manually identify duplicates in Drive. If your main goal is to free up storage, another helpful step is to review the files using the most space. Google's Storage Help says you can manage your Drive storage and review large files from the storage management area. That makes it easier to focus on duplicates that are actually taking up meaningful space, like videos, PDFs, zip files, or high-resolution images. Once you find a duplicate you no longer need, select it, right-click it, and choose Move to Trash. Be careful to keep the correct version, especially if one file was updated more recently than the other. Since Google Drive doesn't auto-detect which duplicate is the better one, that part is up to you. After that, open Trash in Google Drive and permanently delete the files from there if you want to recover the storage right away. If you leave them in Trash, they may still remain there until Google. Shortcut removal steps. One more thing to remember is that broken shortcuts can happen when the original file was deleted, moved to Trash, or you no longer have permission to open it. If that happens, removing the shortcut is usually the easiest cleanup step. And if the delete option is missing, the shortcut may be in a location controlled by another folder owner, which can limit what you're allowed to do. So the steps are simple. Find the item with the shortcut icon, right-click it on desktop, or open the menu on mobile, remove it, and then empty Trash if you want it permanently deleted. That's how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.